Self-hypnosis or autosuggestion is a process by which an individual can train herself to let her mind believe in something in the subconscious state. Self-hypnosis is also termed autogenous training. Self-hypnosis procedures follow various methods to accomplish a certain objective. One can easily get into a state of mental visualization or self-induced brainwashing with the help of self-hypnosis. Self-hypnosis can be learnt and practiced by any individual through practice. While it is easy to understand and learn self-hypnosis, it is important to note that it shouldn't be practiced while driving or eating or drinking. One should be in a stationary mode and have focus on the goal to be achieved. One should be able to garner complete attention to the process of self-hypnosis and not diverted by any other act. There are three major techniques of self-hypnosis: visual imagery, eye fixation, and progressive relaxation. All the three techniques may not be suitable to all the individuals. For example, visual imagery technique of self-hypnosis works best with those who have more than average visualization capabilities. Visual imagery is a technique demanding imagination of a beautiful place after closing your eyes. You must be able to listen to the sound in that image setting and actually see everything as if it is happening in reality around you. Eye fixation technique is suitable for those who are unable to properly visualize, but possess better concentration power. This technique involves continuously watching an object and trying to get into the state of thoughtlessness. Progressive relaxation technique involves slowly relaxing parts of your body with the help of reverse counting. One starts from the toes and reaches the brain part one after another. This technique works great for those who are better able to control the parts of their body. Some practitioners of self-hypnosis suggest turning off lights and music while practicing self-hypnosis. This is a debatable issue. Research has shown that some people are better able to practice the skills of self-hypnosis when they have light music and low wattage bulb in the room. Some debates also rage on the timing of self-hypnosis practice. Experts suggest the beginners to find the ideal time slot of their own. One may try different timing in the day and then settle for the most suitable for that individual. Self-hypnosis can be done for self-actualization, but if you plan to do it for pain relief or other such medical treatments, it is strongly recommended to get in touch with your doctor first.